Okay friends, today in this video we are going to use a formula to find all the dates between two predefined dates. As you can see in B1 I have this date 29 June, and in this cell B2 I have 5th July, and I want to find all the dates that fall in between these two dates. For this we need to use a formula. I will also provide you that formula in the description as well. First, in the cell C1, because I want to have my data in C1, so I'm using C1. You just need to make sure to enter the formula in the correct column or cell, according to your data. And here I need to apply a formula in C1 that will be equal to the date, first date plus 1. Okay, this will bring us the first date of the range, and after that we need to use other formula that will like this. If B1 plus row B1 is greater than equal to B2 minus 1, then C1 plus 1. Okay, looks like there is some problem. Let me check. Okay, actually I just forget to add a comma here. Now it's correct. It will bring us the last date, the second date, and then we need to drag, and it will automatically fill all the dates that will fall between these two dates. Okay, 6th June, 30 June, 1st July to 2nd, 3rd and 4th. 5th one is itself. So you can use this formula to find dates if you ever fall in such a condition where you need to find dates between two range of dates, and instead of entering all the dates manually, you can use this formula and it will save a lot of time. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.